this is today's outfit. This is the fun, festive sweater, I guess. Just some loose fitting, like straight leg, blue jeans, white belt, and then just these shoes. Today's latte, it's a maple cardamom sort of thing. So the recipe says it serves 2, so I cut it in half, but it made like nothing, so. But by far the best one I've had so far. So this one's like another like 8 out of 10, so would recommend. So finished the latte, and basically it's about 4 out of 10 because it tasted like warm eggnog. But eggnog is good.